VMware Cloud Disaster Recovery is a fully managed cloud-based disaster recovery as a service (DRaaS) solution that ensures business continuity by protecting workloads from unexpected failures, cyber attacks, and natural disasters. Traditional disaster recovery solutions often require dedicated secondary data centers and complex infrastructure management, leading to high costs and operational inefficiencies. VMware Cloud Disaster Recovery eliminates these challenges by offering a scalable, pay-as-you-go, cloud-based solution with automated failover orchestration, continuous data replication, and instant recovery capabilities. VMware Cloud Disaster Recovery seamlessly integrates with VMware vSphere environments, allowing IT teams to replicate virtual machines (VMs) to the cloud without requiring reconfiguration. Its cloud-based scale-out file system ensures efficient storage utilization, enabling businesses to retain multiple recovery points for improved resilience. Unlike traditional backup solutions that require lengthy data restoration processes, VMware Cloud Disaster Recovery enables instant VM power-on, ensuring quick access to applications in case of a failure. Key components of VMware Cloud Disaster Recovery include the VMware Cloud DR Orchestrator, which provides centralized management for configuring and executing disaster recovery plans. The scale-out cloud file system offers deduplicated, immutable storage for optimal efficiency and security. vSphere replication ensures low-latency replication of workloads, maintaining near-zero recovery point objectives, RPOs. Additionally, non-disruptive disaster recovery testing allows IT teams to validate their failover processes without impacting production workloads. VMware Cloud Disaster Recovery follows a three-step process: continuous replication of workloads, automated failover to VMware Cloud on AWS, and failback to the original data center once the disruption is resolved. This approach ensures minimal downtime, reduces data loss, and maintains business operations seamlessly. The service also includes built-in ransomware protection, leveraging immutable snapshots and point-in-time recovery to restore clean versions of applications affected by cyber threats. Businesses benefit from VMware Cloud Disaster Recovery through lower disaster recovery costs, rapid recovery with minimal downtime, enhanced cybersecurity resilience, and seamless integration with the VMware ecosystem. Common use cases include enterprise business continuity, ransomware recovery, multi-site protection, and cost-effective disaster recovery for remote offices. By implementing VMware Cloud Disaster Recovery, organizations can achieve scalable, automated, and reliable disaster recovery without the need for costly secondary data centers. In the next lesson, we'll explore step-by-step best practices for configuring VMware Cloud Disaster Recovery, including setting up replication, failover policies, and security measures. Let's continue.